Hey, good morning, guys. Big day ahead of us. We're going to talk about where the markets are going. I've got this alert here that I think people need to set up. 26,540. If we break below this, I'm getting pretty bearish in the market. We've got an ascending support line here. We're going to be going over today. Just so you guys know, if you're brand new to this channel, I have over $250,000 in crypto, and I trade this with you guys and with our members, and we're trying to figure out what's going to happen today. I got a lot of good data to show you, and so we're going to try to assess where today is going to be going, because it is probably going to be a profit or a loss here today for me, about $5,000-$10,000 on May 17th here. So let's get into this. Let's start over here. Let's go to the metrics. So tradeconfident.io. You have links in the description if you guys want to follow along. We're going to go to Bitcoin metrics, and these metrics are going to actually update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in 43 minutes here. So let's take a look at this. Yesterday's emotional index, we already have pushed down into anxious section. And so the first thing I like to do, let's take a look at these over here. I'm just going to circle them for us. The anxious section is historically where Bitcoin likes to start moving back up. Because here's my thought to this, is that you're going to start getting everyone going long. They're going to start getting scared, and they're going to sell because they're like, oh my gosh, we're going to keep going down. But historically, we have, 1 point of evidence, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, even we can come back here and get into this right here, 5, 6. And out of the 6, we have 5. So like 5 out of 6, I don't know. Somebody do the math on that. Hold on, let me get this over quick. 5 divided by 6. Probably you guys already know this. 83% chance that we have a chance of moving back up here. But here's the thing. Watch this morning, because if we actually come down here and we get into fearful section, we literally have, from what we're seeing here, 100% chance, 3 out of 3 times when we get into fearful section, like we're going back up. So 100% chance if we go down to fearful. When you guys see it to fearful, we're probably going to go up, and we have about an 83% chance right now that we're going to go back up, because we've seen that in the anxious territory down here. So let's keep that point of data. Number 2, the volatility. This is something that's like, I'm like on my seat a little bit about. And take a look at SPY real quick. SPY, sideways. Bitcoin right now, sideways. Everybody is waiting right now to see what the heck is going to happen with Bitcoin, because it's either going to be a blast off to the moon, I'm joking a little bit, or it's going to be going down. Here's what you guys need to watch for this morning. When you guys update these metrics at 8 a.m., we're like 40 minutes away now. If this green bar is below this white dotted line, you guys need to know like some heavy volatility. I mean, like really big price movements are about to come into the market, and you need to be prepared. Okay, fast moves up in the market, fast moves up in the market, fast moves up. Now, I say fast moves up, but there's no guarantee it goes up. It just means there's a lot of volatility coming, okay? It just happens to be like literally the last 4 times we've had low volatility, we saw skyrocket, like huge moves up in the market, like even over here too. So if you guys see this metric come down below low volatility line here, heads up, this thing's going to get crazy. Like, it's going to be nuts. That's why I have an alert set. So if we do drop down below here, I need to, just kind of make some decisions. As far as what whales are doing, they're going long. Like, positions have been placed, guys. Like, the whale smart money is going long. Like, they did this over here, and they piled and they piled and piled. And I remember talking to you guys about this during this time where we're like, what the heck? It's going to like go down all the way to like, $18,000 or something. But they stockpiled this whole time and made all their money back in some huge gains. And I feel as though, looking at this, and then also looking at, where the emotional sentiment is of retail traders, I think this is a great time to, if there's money on the sidelines, to maybe throw some in. Not financial advice, obviously, but here's what we need to watch for. If you wake up and you watch these metrics, anytime after 8, if we do get a bar to the downside, that's where I'm going to be. We're probably going to see a price move up. And once we start seeing short sentiment down here, that's what we need to watch for. If you guys are getting into trades right now, maybe look to take an exit, because last time we had short sentiment came out, and I know people were thinking we were going to target this high. We didn't, because you guys can see what literal whale smart money is doing over here. Like, when we came out short sentiment, we dropped in the market there, we dropped in the market here. So watch this. If you guys wake up and you see this, and we're like something like that, it's actually fairly bullish. So as long as we stay above this, like, middle zero, like, whales are going long, and we can see historically, like, they get what they want, like right over here. Like, they went long, market shot up. They went long, market shot up. They went long, market shot up. They went long. What do you guys think is going to happen next? So down here, If we do break below this alert I've got over here at 26,660, then the first strongest structure support we need to be looking at is 25,288 right there. So I want you guys to be watching for that. If you guys are looking to get into trades, that would be very, I think, is advantageous the right word? A very advantageous place to get into the market. Look for Bitcoin long and short trades this morning. If you guys see this update and we see long trades blast up here, very bullish sign. However, if we see short trades move up, not good, because any type of crazy increase in short trades over here, which I personally don't expect this to change that much, but when it does, it seems to impact, Bitcoin. Like, take a look at this. This uptrend, stopped when long trades moved out. Like, it literally just, it was like, hey, we got a heartbeat in Bitcoin. And then, it long trades drop out and it just goes sideways. So definitely be watching that. Daily trade scanner. We don't have anything at the moment on that, but let's continue over to the indicators and I'll wrap this up here. Overall, I think we're looking pretty bullish, but definitely be watching to see what happens here when this updates. If we go to fearful, game on. Like for me, that's game on. We're going up. Definitely watch to see if we go below low volatility. And, if we do, that's going to add even more look, guys, this is a pressure gauge in a sense. It's not a pressure gauge because we actually have an indicator called pressure gauge. It's not that. But the lower this goes, it means the tighter the range and the more pressure we're going to be able to go up here. So please just be watching that and hedging your bets. And overall, my unbiased opinion here, I see whales going long. And so I think we're going to head to the upside here. You guys can access those metrics. There's a link in the description. I'll talk about at the end of the video if you guys want. Let me quickly go over this. Trend exhaustion is very low. Price for small money flow is very low. I'll be honest with you guys. This is really like a textbook entry. I'm sorry I didn't do this in the beginning of the video. I guess I should do it now. Where are we at on scalping trades? Josh updates these. We're 16 wins and 0 losses for the year so far, and we've got 9 trades pending. A lot of these 9 trades are going to be were placed yesterday, actually around this level. So I think a lot of our scalping trades, for those of you guys who are taking them, I wouldn't doubt if we just get a simple bounce here. Like probably all 4 trades I called out yesterday to all of our members, you guys are probably all going to see. I actually wouldn't doubt if you guys see wins by Friday or maybe Monday or Tuesday of next week. So definitely be watching that. Price for small money flow, this shows where the well money is going. We're super low, guys. Like last time we got down here, the last 2 times we got down this low, you look for yourself. Like, this is where huge pumps are coming into the market. Trend exhaustion, low, low, low. Pump in the market. Let's just look at the low points. Pump in the market there. Right here, we saw pump in the market there. Right here, we didn't get the pump, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, we're doing, 5 divided by 6? We've got an 83% chance. Like, guys, this is like simple mathematics. Like, look at the past history. 83% chance we have them moving up here. Like that's pretty bullish in my opinion. And that's like not even like saying, I think we're going to move up. Like that, mathematically here from past historical data, we have an 83% chance that we're going to move up. And we're also at a really strong quarters theory level. We bounced off of at 25,000. So overall, my sentiment this morning, with the bag that I've got, I see more signs to hold unless, I'll come back over here for a second. Unless the Bitcoin metrics, let me come over here. Here's what I'm going to be watching. If we come out over here and we see this will be interesting. Sorry, I'm trying to think this out real quick. I think we need to watch this. We watch those metrics, but if we break down below this level here and we probably do like this break and retest, I'm going to be super bearish on Bitcoin, to be honest with you guys. I think we're going to hold here, but definitely be watching that, and I'll keep you guys updated probably in the next couple of days with what these did. But watch this morning to see if we go down to fearful section, and I think you guys are going to be able to, if you guys can see fearful section and you're patient enough for fear, you've got I want to say confident, like you guys literally 100% of the time, we've seen massive moves back up. So if you can be patient and you're like, Travis, I want the best entry possible. Okay, wait for Bitcoin emotional index to go to fearful. That's what you need to do. And if you guys see a drop in the market and then you see an increase of whale money, oh my gosh, it's just super good entry for you guys. All right, guys, let me show this to you. You guys probably want to know how to get all this stuff. I'm using tradeconfident.io. I own tradeconfident.io. That's why I'm using it. I looked at a bunch of different metrics websites and I was like, hey, we got to find something that's better than what we got. Sorry, my Safari has literally just been pooping out on me lately. So we'll do this a different way. If you guys come to the main website, click the links in the description. You guys, I'm already logged in, but you need to click subscribe over here to the right. And then once you do that, you can literally just subscribe. It's $59 a month. Just be honest with you guys, $59 a month. You get all of our trade calls. We've never lost a single trade ever. This year, 2023 win rate. This is coming from 126 wins and 1 loss last year, and then we took in total we took like 130 wins last year and like 14 losses. So really, really good. And then we haven't taken any losses this year, and we restructured our risk management, so we'll probably go about 50 to 60 wins in a row. I think without losing any, because we have just better risk management. So snag that. Also, if you guys are into how many of you guys are just like, I want to hold this bag as long as I can? Well, we're doing future forecast where I literally come out and share with you guys like where I show you guys tools on here you'll never see on YouTube. Like I don't share any of this with YouTube. Like I have so many charts that you guys will just never see me share on YouTube because it's member only stuff. Anyways, some of you guys are like, oh, he's selling. Guys, I'm sorry. I know the stuff I have in future forecast is like super good. And I think some of you guys are going to like that. So if you guys are looking for like a mentor to be like, hey, what is somebody that's been trading this market for a long time doing with his $250,000 trying to turn it into $1 million? Like I'm showing you guys exactly how I'm going to try to take, I have over $250,000. I'm going to try to turn it into over $1 million. And I'm up like $33,000 this morning on the year. And so I think I got a good plan for you guys. Last but not least, if you guys want the indicators I was just talking to you guys about, go to indicators, scroll down to this bundle pack, trend exhaustion, price response, money flow, 7 other indicators. And then once you guys purchase this, you'll get a pop-up on the screen and you guys will get $400 off the top and bottom finder. Top and bottom finder is a very good indicator and it's going to show you guys where the bottoms are. Literally, I did a video yesterday, bottom here. Okay. I wanted to start the video just with the grid analysis. If you guys watch these videos at the end, I'll show you guys how to get stuff like the indicators like I just did. But in the beginning of the videos, I really want to give you guys the data. So that's how that's how this goes, guys. In the beginning, give you the data. If you guys are already subscribed, at the end, if you guys are new, you want to pick up the tools that I'm using. There you guys go. Indicators in the description. Super accurate stuff here, as well as the membership. That's it. No more selling. You guys know where to find stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please watch. We have 30 minutes and all of our metrics are going to update. 30 minutes and all the metrics update on every single coin. So please be watching what I talk to you guys about because that's going to play in today's analysis and probably what you guys do with your trades. All right, guys. I love you guys. Have a good one. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.